everyone, my name is Matthew Woods. Welcome to the Weather World YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys pretty much a status briefing as to what's been happening over the past few weeks, just the future trajectory of my severe weather research project. Just going to get to the nitty gritty. For subscribers that have been around for a little while, you guys probably know of the project, or the glider, I guess you could say, the atmospheric glider that I've dubbed Columbia. And Columbia is obviously going to be an atmospheric research vehicle that's going to be used to gather all sorts of data about, severe weather phenomena, hailstorms, microbursts, tornadoes, more importantly, possibly other small level severe weather phenomena in order to gain a better understanding of it, and possibly attempt to forecast it more accurately in the future, change our other forecast tactics so that more lives are saved. Infrastructure could also be possibly saved as well. The past week and a half, I think it was like a week and a half ago, I want to say, my memory's foggy, okay? I attempted to launch it. I attempted to launch Columbia at a 90-degree angle, perpendicular, obviously to the ground. Its target altitude was around 100 feet. I wanted to go at least 150, so that I could perform the premature stall, because what would happen is Columbia would go up, it would, gain altitude and then pretty much perform a premature stall, and then it would pretty much nosedive back towards the ground, not into the ground, and I would use a remote control device to basically maintain, elevator inputs and all that, and glide it safely back down on the ground. Unfortunately, with this launch attempt, I'll just show it. You can see that it didn't go far up at all. I mean, it launched, but it failed towards the end, obviously. The left wing struck the ground relatively hard, semi-breaking the fuselage from the actual wing a little bit. Obviously, it wasn't too much damage, but, it was enough to obviously need repairs. And, yeah, it probably went about maybe 10 or 15 feet in the air, which I blame on the D12-7, which is my fault.
What the f***?
I should have went with like an E96 or possibly even an F16 motor. I think it's an F15 or F16. I get the numbers mixed up. You can show it on the dang screen. I think the motor's designated lift-off weight, or the maximum lift-off weight is around 200-ish grams. I think it's like somewhere in the 200s. And Columbia weighed about 460, I want to say. 460 grams, which is double that. And I just wanted to see, if it would, be able to go at least 30 feet. And it obviously couldn't do that. It was definitely a premature stall as soon as it lifted off, like not even like a half a second after. You can see it pretty much, rolls over and starts going into a corkscrew stall mode, and just pretty much collides with the ground, and yeah, somewhat of a failure, I must say. I think the future Columbia, I'm going to be putting Columbia, that specific glider, on hold. I am building something new. I'm going to be building a drone, not like a small one. I'm going to be building, a slightly larger drone. I don't have the specific dimensions exactly planned out yet, but what this drone or quadcopter, well, same thing, this drone or hexacopter, it's gonna be a heavy lift drone, and essentially what's going to do is it's going to lift relatively secretive, advanced weather research payloads within the next month and a half or so. Right now, actually, as I'm making this video, I am making some 3D printed gears for the motor shafts, and I'm going to be trying to get, all the computer software and hardware worked out pretty soon. But it's going to be a heavy lift drone. It's going to have to lift at least maybe 200 to 300 grams worth of stuff. But yeah, once this drone starts working, if I stick with this drone and it works, you guys are going to be in for a treat. Oh my gosh, this is going to be something else, guys. I mean, there's going to start being footage on this channel that you would have never even thought of existed on this channel before. Like, this is going to start going very hardcore. I'm very excited for this. I hope you guys are too. Again, I'm sorry for like the lack of like details or information of like what exactly I'm going to be doing. But again, I just want to keep it secretive just for, just for my own reasons. But yeah, don't worry. Like I said, within the next month or month and a half or so, if you guys can just be patient with me, I will be revealing exactly what I will be working out with this drone. I will tell you, it won't be going into like severe storms or any sort of thing like that. It's going to be more of like a testing drone, testing, future equipment for certain things. But yeah, with that being said, again, this was just an update, you know, slash briefing video, so if this wasn't very entertaining, sorry. Like I said, within the next month or month and a half or so, I can guarantee you something will be happening, whether it's with a freaking drone or a rocket or, you know, some sort of autonomous vehicle. It's going to happen, okay? So just give me some time and I will provide that with you. I'll provide that for you, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and consider checking out some of my other content. I promise there's content on my channel that's far more exciting than this. I got all sorts of, you know, weather content, weather footage, weather education videos, stuff related to the Minecraft Tornado mod. Some of those videos have done pretty well on my channel. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.